So what is going on, guys? My name is Joe Mills. Welcome back to another video. Bit of a random one, but it does fit in. So recently, some of you guys know, some of you don't, I've been having some car troubles. And what with having a brand new allotment and sharing a car, doing the school run, doing shopping, all the things that my wife Jenny wants to do as well, it's really hard to get about at the moment, all right? So I've got to give a massive shout out to the guys over at DYU for sending me the A1F, all electric if you want it to be, foldable bike, which is this beautiful bit of engineering behind me. I'm going to give you a little look around the bike because it's cool, it's really good, and some stats as well. And we're going to use this to get to and from our new allotment because it's quite far from where I live. I haven't said anything about distance yet, but it's not down the road, all right? It's a private site, so it doesn't matter if we live in the catchment area or not. As long as we pay for it, it's ours. But oh my God, what a bike. Now I have already mentioned this is completely foldable, which is amazing. It's just a simple case of pulling this lever here, making sure the pedal is in the right place to locate the handlebars. That goes down just like that on its own, dead easy. If I flip the bike around, try and show you this, there's two safety catches. That one goes up, that one pulls out, and we just fold it up like that. And then thirdly, if you was really struggling for space, you can lower the seat all the way down. It comes with a strap so that you can strap it together, and that would quite happily sit in the boot of your car or on a train. I think that's awesome. And to get it back up as a usable bike, put the seat up, I like that to be nice and high. Open that out. Again, I'll try and show you what I'm doing here. Close that, lock that. That comes up, you can't get it wrong. There's nothing to align. Click that. Turn the power button on, and away you go. It also comes with two key fobs, and they are actually equipped with an alarm that's already built into the bike. So if we lock it, see if you can hear this. It's locked. So if you left it outside a shop or something, obviously keep the fob with you, and someone tried to nick it. You get the idea. I think that's a really smart feature as well. So they retail in this country for around the £500 mark. I'll put all the stats in the description below. Not affiliated, not sponsored. They just wanted to send me a bike so that I could get about, and I'm very, very thankful and grateful. So yeah, straight out the box, it's ready to go. It came fully charged. The wheels were already on, everything was on apart from the pedals. But that's a simple case of using the provided tool and tightening them up. You know how it goes. It's a really good bit of kit, and I think I'm going to have a lot of fun putting some serious miles on this. Top speed is 15.5 miles per hour. It's capable of achieving up to 36 miles with you assisting it by pedaling. If you just want, if you want a lazy day and you just want to hold on with the throttle all the way back, you'll get maybe half that, maybe a little bit less. Again, all stats will be down in the description below. I'm just telling you as a real world guy who's just had 2 hours experiencing just fun.